Name is Purna Dolphere. Today topic name is noise pollutions. For urban planning, may give rise noise distraction pollution. Electrical generators, wind, terrace experiences, people, documentation problem associate pollution with household electrical generators is energy environmental. Animal noise can increase the rise of death by animals. And focused on marine mammals and to a lesser 75 percentage of marine mammals. Aggression in the publicity of their senior systems expand because the local civil noise environment can impact the present value system. Noise pollution, also known as environmental noise, is the progression total damaging sound effects on sound and human health rather alarming. Research also show sleep cycles, decline concert capacity, hearing loss. Noise pollution increase the risk rate by preemptive. Some students indicate certain noise and health problems related to noise stress. What are the health effects on noise pollutions? Medical effects on mental health, physical health, children's sounds enter the environment. The pollution source include touchless sources. The article looks and noise pollution more detail in reduced pollutions. There are several types pollution: air pollution, water pollution, light pollutions. However, noise can have significations human and animals. Impact on mental health. Unwanted sounds can have range of mental health effects. Mental health. People living with noise pollutions may be on mental health. Environmental noise also may experience difficult phases as you impact a person's mood and ability considering subscribe. Mental health, physical health, children's health, how to reduce white noise. Effects of noise pollution include increased stress levels, sleep, disconnected hearing. The article looks at noise pollutions more detail and reduce noise pollutions. Air pollution, water pollution, light pollution, noise pollution is the separate unwanted sound traffic, how noise built and can have significant human and animals. Many people are the experiences a real human activity. The brain is always modeling sounds, more scenes damage, increased through tested sources. Impact on the mental health in environmental noise is also may experiences. This can affect person's mood and ability to concept physical health. Pollution occur direct or effect experiences, which causes high percentage the according to 2018 review their evidence of short-term experiences. Disease, pollution on stress human levels and over time affects higher levels of noise pollutions. Definition: mental health, physical health, children's. How noise pollution occurs on unwanted pollution include increased stress levels, aircraft. These articles looks on noise pollution in detail air pollution. Sound into environment almost always around us traffic, well-being human animals, health hazard, health increase in human activities. Unwanted sounds can have range of mental health. Persons sensitive to stress increased tested source impact on their mental health in fact effects. This can impact person's mood and ability consultants. Several cases loud sounds can direct causes hearing impact. Uh, May interacted context other health conditions. There is also association between long-term excellence noise heights disease. disease. Another 2018 study Canada found the percentage in higher levels of noise pollutions. Higher level noise pollutions. Article the Indian Journal noise pollution affect the children's communication and speech development content.